Good day, everyone. God damn. So today we have the Perodua alza today. So what's the plan is I already soundproofed the car door just now because I was rushing, and the customer wants the car early today. So to the floor side, and then he decided that okay, never mind, take your time, and I'll come and collect the car later. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna make a fast time lapse of the carpet removal. Okay, basically you have to remove the seats lah. Okay, you have your front seat. Okay, there's 4 bolts, and behind you have bolts too, a couple of them lah. Okay, so then what we're gonna do now is remove the carpet. You can do some deep cleaning over there, vacuum a bit, and then we're gonna install the insulation materials, and then yeah, we go for a test run and see how it goes. Okay, the thing is, I'm not going to remove the carpet out of the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold it here, okay, and then we can just focus on the key areas where you really need the sound isolation materials. Okay, so let's see where we can put this camera. I think it should be okay. Okay, I look like an idiot. The carpet, I just pulled it at the back, right? So that's the fuel pump. Okay, and wow, this is so bloody dirty, man. Well, I don't blame the owner because this car has been with him for almost 7 or 6 years. I'm not very sure lah. Okay, again, we're gonna vacuum. All right, and if you notice, this is the best Perodua came up with lah for sound insulation. What the hell? Really? Is that ni apa ni? Ni cardboard ni bangang. Bukan cardboard ni, polystyrene ni bangang betul. So yeah, we have some dirt over there. A lot of dirt, the crevices. So yep, let's start cleaning. As you can see right now, we have cleaned the entire surface. Just a pre-vacuuming lah. I mean, it's a vacuum thingy lah. Just vacuum it. And then now what I'm going to do is, just in case if you have a little dust, right? Okay, just spray some alcohol over it, wiping alcohol or whatever lah. You guys want to use thinner also boleh, as long it cleans the surface properly lah. What I like to use is isopropyl alcohol, because it's 99% alcohol and it's very efficient. So because now this type of areas you have wiring, so I wouldn't advise you using water. As alcohol, on the other hand, when you spray alcohol on wiring or whatsoever, it will evaporate very fast, so it will not cause an electrical shock or spark or whatsoever lah. Okay, so that's one of the key tips you guys can have lah. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to clean it, okay, and then we start seeking the material. Alright, so Perodua alza advanced. Okay, the floor is fully soundproofed. Okay, until the back. So now what we're going to do is add another vibration layer. Okay, make it 2 layers, and then we're going to add noise isolation layer, so that acts as a barrier for your noise. Okay, so yep, that's what it is, guys. So okay, as you can see, we installed the noise isolation layer already back. Then we put a little carpet, just extra, and yeah, that's about it for this car. And we're going to reinstall back everything, and then we just go on a test drive and see how's the customer's reaction. Okay.